This is number 14 Elgin Road, Bryanston. The property is in a very affluent area of Bryanston, along Elgin Road and very close to the Bryanston Golf and Country Club. The stand is 12,141 square meters in extent and has vast grounds lined with enormous indigenous trees. The house has been severely neglected and would either lend itself to a complete renovation and/or reconstruction and/or a complete rebuild. Ideally, the land would be suitable for a redevelopment of residential one houses and has been rezoned and subdivided into 12 stands measuring between 867 square meters and 1,012 square meters. To date, the following work has been done. Rezoned development land. Consent for subdivision approved. Removal of restrictive conditions approved. Bulk contributions paid. JRA and Johannesburg Water approved construction drawings. City Power approved quote and design fee paid. Wayleaves currently in place. Bryanston is one of the most affluent and aspirational residential areas in the northern suburbs of Johannesburg. It is synonymous with large residential properties with sizable gardens and well-manicured lawns, and undoubtedly the number one residential area to be situated in. There is easy access to Bryanston Drive and William Nicol. Bryanston has a fairly new corporate area with Dimension Data Campus, Nestlé, GlaxoSmithKline, Google.com, Microsoft Corporation, Ogilvy & Mather, and Tiger Brands being some of the major brands in the neighborhood. Families with school-going children comprise a large part of the Bryanston community. The suburb is home to excellent private and public schools. Ranked as some of the best in Gauteng. Amenities around Bryanston include various upmarket shopping centres, NHC Bryanston Medical Centre, Sandton Mediclinic and Sandton Police Station. This property will be auctioned off on Wednesday the 12th of September at Summer Place in Hyde Park at 12 noon. Further information can be found on highstreetauctions.com.